the unboxing has begun. I opened up that one and got out most of my hardware. I want all that hardware to be black, like this hardware. This is for the toms. Those are that's for the floor tom. They're all black. This stuff's chrome. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Haven't gotten to that box yet. But in this box, look at this. Here's some nostalgia right there. This is like OG Ninja Turtles, circa like 1990. Maybe 90, 91, 92, I don't know. It's an old ass blanket is what I'm saying. Then I got to this box, and this box was a time capsule. And I repacked it a little bit just to share with you guys what I discovered in this box. But first of all, my glove. I was about to ask Dad if he knew where my glove was because I wanted it, and look, here it is. Oh, also Teresa's Tervices. I haven't seen those in a long time. Then was all this. First, the way that this was packed was fantastic. I got a whole bunch of paper towels. I'm glad I haven't bought paper towels recently because I use that to pack these shelves. And these are just, they're not doing anything. I got, this is, I'm pretty sure that's band. And then this picture, I'm pretty sure is prom. Look at this. Look at this sweet sliding phone that you can fit in your little penny pocket of your jeans. Then, this has got a bunch of Cancun memorabilia. There's a bottle of absinthe. Got some Blockbuster memorabilia. A little bathroom sign. And this removes the yellow tabs from DVDs and VHSs. And games, I think, is the middle one. Yeah. This has got... that cassette is the soundtrack to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle movie. These two, like, that's like a mini DV and a Super 8. I don't know what's on those, but I am excited to find out. What else? This right here. Look at this. Friggin' Pogs. Slammers. Pogs! You know. Anyway, those are my findings so far.